What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Tommy's Kitchen. In this episode, and this is an episode I've been looking forward to doing for a while now, and today we are going to be making ice cream. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make ice cream in your own home. You probably already know this recipe because I remember doing this recipe when I was younger in the 7th grade in science class. So you've probably done this recipe before, but if you haven't, stay tuned to the video. And now, let's head over to the ingredients table and I'll show you guys what you're going to be needing to use. Alrighty guys, this is what you're going to be needing to use. You're going to be needing a gallon baggie, and then this is I think a quart baggie. You're going to be needing half and half, some whole milk, some salt. But you're supposed to, it's recommended that you have ice cream salt, but I couldn't find that. But they said that regular salt is fine. You're needing some vanilla extract, some sugar, some measuring utensils, and then a mixing cup. Alrighty guys, now let's get started on making the homemade ice cream. Alrighty guys, so it has been a few days, it's been about a week since the last clip that you guys saw. I had some technical difficulties with my GoPro. When I went to go edit the video, I guess the GoPro, I had the mount on my head. I guess it was tilted a little too far up, so you literally didn't even see me making the ice cream. So we're going to refilm this video, and you guys will be seeing this video tomorrow, which is Sunday. So first you're going to be needing is your bowl, and you're going to take 1 cup of your whole milk. Pour that in here. And now, once you do that, you want to take a cup of half and half. Alright. So now once you get that, you're going to need a half a cup of sugar. Alrighty, so now once you're done with your half and half, you want to take your vanilla extract. You're going to be needing a teaspoon of that. So make sure you don't overdo it because it might do something to the taste. So, full teaspoon. There we go. So now what you want to do is, you want to stir everything together so kind of the sugar kind of disintegrates with the milk and half and half. So now, when you're done mixing everything together, you want to take your baggie and then your other measuring cup. Open up your baggie so when you put this in here, it's going to be easier to pour it in so you don't make a mess. So now this is the tricky part. Take this. Alright, so now what you want to do is close your baggie up. Now just leave this here for a second. And in the last video, when you get your other baggie, I had only one, but then when I was shaking it up, it started to leak. So what I did was I took 2-gallon baggies and I put them in. So now I'm going to go grab some ice. Alright, so as you can see, we've got some ice in here. So now what we want to do is you want to take your salt. Just take your salt. Put like a bunch of it in here. Alright. So now Make sure everything's extra tight. So now we're going to take our ice cream. We're going to put that in here, and now we're going to do the same thing, add more ice, and then we'll put more salt. Alright guys, as you can see, we got our final batch of ice. Do the same thing. We put more of our salt in here. So now what we want to do is zip up our baggie. Alrighty, so now I'm going to set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes. I'm going to shake everything up, and once it's done, we'll pick things back up. Alrighty, so now it's been 10 minutes. We're going to open it up. You can smell it. Here it is. So now, you can come see that it's all ice cream. Now I take a scoop. Tastes just like ice cream you'd buy at a store. It's freaking so good. A few things I took away from this because I did it the first time is that make sure the salt is off the bag, especially if you want to move your ice cream to a container like this. Definitely make sure the salt is off. If that salt gets in there, it's going to be ruined. One more thing I want to mention before we go is that if you think the ice cream is too soft and you want kind of a little more hard, just like the kind you get at an ice cream place or even in the food store, just put it in your container, or maybe you can just leave it in the bag, stick it in the freezer for like an hour or so, and you should be good to go. So that is how you make ice cream in your own home. Before I wrap up the video, I forgot to mention one thing while doing the recipe. At the point when you dump everything into that baggie, like the mixture of the milk and sugar and everything, at that point, that is the point if you want to make like cookies and cream, put some Reese's in there, maybe put like whatever type of ice cream you guys like whatever stuff you guys like to have in your ice cream. I personally like cookies and cream, so if I were to ever do that, I'd go buy some Oreos and put that into the ice cream at that specific step. So with that being said, so that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button, and if you want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing. And if you want to stay up to date of whenever I post a video, hit that bell button. And please share this video with your friends. And also, check me out on social media. The links are in the description box down below. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!